Data orchestration and workflow management are crucial in modern data ecosystems. They automate and coordinate data flow across systems, ensuring efficiency and reliability. This involves managing interconnected pipeline steps like data ingestion, transformation, and loading, crucial for seamless data operations. Data orchestration automates data flow across systems, ensuring timely and accurate delivery. It acts as a conductor, harmonizing data engineering components like ingestion, transformation, and storage into a unified workflow. This automation reduces errors and manual intervention, enhancing the efficiency and reliability of data pipelines. Workflow management defines and executes data pipeline tasks, ensuring each task depends on the success of previous steps. For instance, a workflow might fetch raw data, transform it, and load it into a warehouse. If a step fails, subsequent tasks halt, highlighting the importance of dependency management in maintaining data pipeline integrity. Dependency management is crucial in data orchestration, ensuring tasks execute in the correct order. Logical and temporal dependencies must be managed, especially in systems running mission-critical reports. Failure to manage these can lead to missed jobs or delayed data updates, impacting decision-making. Effective dependency management is essential for reliable data pipelines. Orchestration tools like Apache Airflow and Prefect streamline workflow management by defining workflows as code, enhancing version control and reusability. Airflow employs directed acyclic graphs, DAGs, for task visualization and control, ensuring efficient task execution and dependency management in complex data pipelines. Monitoring and logging are crucial in workflow management. Dashboards provide real-time tracking of job statuses and execution times. Alerts are essential for notifying engineers of task failures, enabling rapid response and resolution. These tools ensure data pipelines are reliable and efficient, minimizing downtime and enhancing overall system performance. Scalability is vital in orchestration for enterprise environments. Workflows often trigger parallel processes across distributed systems. Orchestration platforms must support horizontal scaling to handle dynamic task generation and load balancing efficiently, ensuring robust and responsive data pipelines. Scheduling ensures workflows run on precise schedules, crucial for maintaining data pipeline efficiency. Schedulers must be reliable, supporting event-driven architectures for responsive workflows. This approach allows pipelines to react to events like new data arrivals, enhancing real-time processing capabilities. Effective scheduling minimizes errors and optimizes resource use, crucial for modern data orchestration. Effective data orchestration ensures reliable, maintainable pipelines, reducing manual intervention and errors. It supports modern business intelligence and analytics demands by automating data flow across systems, ensuring timely and accurate data delivery. This enhances efficiency and reliability, allowing data teams to focus on strategic tasks rather than operational challenges. Data orchestration and workflow management are crucial for efficient, reliable data pipelines. They empower data teams to minimize errors and focus on strategic tasks. Explore further resources to deepen your understanding and enhance your data system's capabilities.